Today, Chino making pizza, it's his favorite. The little chef with the smile so wide puts on his apron, he's full of pride. It's a dough time, roll, roll, rolls out dough so soft and round. Spins it up, it flies and down, whoa! It's a flying pizza, whirly twirly, tomato twister. Tomato sauce, says Chino with cheer. He spreads it gently, far and near. Then comes cheese, oh what a sight. Snowy cheesy mountain, yum. It melts and bubbles golden and bright. Now it's time to rainbow fun. Veggies go on in a rainbow row. Corn, bell peppers and tomatoes grow. Red, yellow, green, just like a rainbow. Into the oven, hot and bright. Press the red button, the oven beep. Whir, whir, whir. Chino waits, oh what a delight. It's time to bake, tick-tock, tick, tick-tock, tick, tick-tock, tick. Ding, the pizza's done, hooray, hooray. Chino opens the oven. It smells like happiness. Chino shouts, it's a pizza day. Now it's time for the pizza party. Let's share a slices of pizza with the puppy, Teddy, and a cat. And happily munches, just like that. Best pizza ever, let's make more tomorrow. For the beginning of more pizza.